In this video, I will show you how to archive order on Amazon. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and archive an order on Amazon, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and you're going to see an option for returns and orders. Give that a click and you'll be taken to your orders page. So you can see there's some different orders on here that I've made, and what we're going to do to archive an order is come to the order that we want to archive. So as an example, let's go ahead and choose this projector that I've previously ordered. Now underneath the order, you're going to see the link here to archive order. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and then a window is going to come up like this. All you need to do is go ahead and click the archive order button. What it's going to do is archive this order, so it's going to refresh the page, but you'll now see if I scroll down, the projector is now no longer showing. So that is how to archive order on Amazon. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.